Hello, my friend. Welcome to English Flow. I am very happy you are here today. In this story, we will practice slow English. We will repeat together. We will speak fluently. Let's begin. My name is Sarah. Every morning I wake up at 6 o'clock. I open my eyes. The sun is bright. I feel happy. I take a deep breath. In and out. In and out. I sit up slowly. My bed is warm and soft, but the day is waiting for me. Now you repeat with me. My name is Sarah. Every morning I wake up at 6 o'clock. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. The water is very cold, but I feel awake now. I brush my teeth slowly. My toothbrush is blue. I brush for 2 minutes. I look in the mirror. I smile. Hello, Sarah, I say. You are strong. You are ready. I drink a big glass of water. Water is very good for your body. Your turn. Repeat with me. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. Now I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I make coffee. The coffee is hot and dark. The smell is beautiful. I take 2 slices of bread. I put butter on the bread. I put jam on the butter. The jam is red. It tastes like strawberries. I sit at my table. I eat my breakfast slowly. I don't rush. I enjoy the moment. I think about my day. I think about my goals. Today I will be kind. Today I will work hard. Today I will smile. Repeat after me, slowly. I make coffee. The coffee is hot and dark. The smell is beautiful. Before I leave home, I say thank you. Thank you for my bed. Thank you for my food. Thank you for my life. I open the door. The wind is fresh. The birds are singing. I smile. Today is a new day. Today is my day. Repeat with me. Before I leave home, I say thank you. Thank you for my life. You did it. You practiced English with a story today. Remember, every day is a new beginning. Every moment is your chance to learn. Small steps make big changes. Tomorrow, come back and practice with me again. We will learn a new story together. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your effort. Goodbye, my friend. Keep speaking. Keep learning. Keep growing.